From bionic arms to humanoid service robots, China is reshaping our understanding of machines and their potential. Not only is China the world's largest consumer of industrial robots for an impressive 8 consecutive years, but they're also rapidly increasing their robot production each year. The alarming question here arises, is China planning to take over the world with its robots? With the spotlight on their largest ever robot exhibition that happened in 2022, we're about to reveal why some people think that China's robots are gearing up to take over the world. Starting with a virtual journey to Beijing, where the World Robot Conference 2022 happened during an ongoing pandemic. With physical representation exclusively from Chinese robotics companies and a virtual audience from all over the world, the event was nothing short of a technological spectacle. So, what were the standouts of the important tech event? We will show you the most spectacular robots displayed at this event. The robot that immediately captured my attention was brought by Cloud Technologies. Cloud Technologies is a trailblazer in the Chinese robotics industry. They brought their humanoid service robot to the event. Named Cloud Ginger XR1,
the XR robotics series, the XR1.
I think it's amazing. It's different when you understand that the robots can now interact with you.
I like the accuracy of the hand movement.
This creation wowed attendees by dancing its way into their hearts. With 34 flexible joints and many advanced sensors, this 158 centimeters tall and 65 kilogram robot isn't just a showpiece, but a symbol of China's mastery over robotics. Its multifaceted use ranges from elderly care and education to participation in massive promotional and entertainment events. But there's a hidden thread that we see in this creation. Will these robots just be used as a source of comfort and entertainment for lonely old people, or will they replace actual singers and dancers in the near future? Imagine a world without your favorite singers like Beyoncé and Gaga, where humanoid robots will come to entertain you at concerts and glamorous events. Does that sound like a future you want? Moving on, we saw X-Robots, an industry giant responsible for some of the most realistic humanoid robots you've ever seen. X-Robots are leaders in the production of bionic skin in the whole world. At the heart of X-Robots is a desire to push boundaries. They're not just crafting machines, they're replicating the very essence of humanity in mental and code. Their exhibit showcased humanoid robots modeled after iconic figures like Albert Einstein and pop singer Theresa Tay. These robots are made in combination with humanoid robots and metaverse technology. But the real shocker? Their robots have an incredible 140 degrees of freedom across their bodies, equipped with an independently developed robot operating system. A particularly captivating marvel from X-Robots was their robot avatar, specifically designed to mirror the movements of one of the company's employees. This isn't just a robot, it's an extension of human behavior. It observes, analyzes, and then impeccably mimics human movements and emotions, providing a unique display of the machine-human interaction. The creepy part is that these robots aren't just rigid imitations. Their creators are laser-focused on integrating them seamlessly into our society. The idea? To make these robots so human-like that they can potentially replace human jobs in various fields. The founder of this company himself said that. One exhibition that really fascinated us was by Unitree Robotics. It is a standout company from Hangzhou that introduced a sensational dance show featuring 100 of their Go1 Docs robots. This company literally brings these robots to life in various shapes and sizes. While their smaller models serve with their educational and entertainment prowess, the medium and large robots perform more important roles like patrolling and inspecting intricate environments such as petrochemical plants and power units. In just a year since the launch of their robot line, they've already sold around 10,000 units worldwide. What makes this achievement even more significant is that Unitree Robotics is the only Chinese robot manufacturer to earn global quality certifications. The company believes that these robots will be used as guide dogs to accompany elderly or handicapped people. All these robots made by this company can also be attached with other equipment like a manipulator. It's clear that at Unitree, robots aren't just machines, they're a blend of imagination, engineering, and a dash of futuristic vision. Now, let's dive deep, and I mean really deep, into another captivating highlight. The big minds at China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation have brought forth a marvel named JSY-3. The JSY-3 is an underwater intelligent bionic robot. Think of it as a clever mimic of our natural world. It's designed to look just like a porpoise except without feathers. Its design makes it sleek and streamlined, perfect for gliding effortlessly beneath the waves. And it's not just about looks. It is available in 2 variations of sizes to choose from. Depending on its size, it can venture underwater for a cool 4 to 8 hours, all on one battery charge. So, what's the big idea behind JSY-3? It's not just a fancy underwater gadget, but a tool meant to make science more accessible and fun. Imagine school kids getting a live feed from this robot as it explores underwater realms, or researchers studying marine life without disturbing the natural habitat. In a world where we are still uncovering the mysteries of our oceans, tools like JSY-3 are not just cool tech toys. They are doorways to understanding the deep blue, bridging the gap between our curiosity and the vast unknown beneath the waves. The last one on our list of these robotic marvels is the ultra-light robotic manipulators developed by the Chinese company Realman Intelligent Technology. These robots can not only mimic us by performing tasks with one arm, but can go the extra mile and use 2 arms just like us simultaneously. And guess what? It doesn't stop there. The bottom of this high-tech marvel? It's mounted on a mobile robot platform, darting around and dodging obstacles like it's a game. But the cherry on top? It's got a voice module teamed up with cutting-edge deep vision tech. So it doesn't just do, it interacts through voice and visual perception. Truly, it's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Now, considering the ongoing global discussions about the AI ethics and job security, you might be wondering, are robots replacing human roles? Well, at Meituan, a tech-forward Chinese service company specializing in food and goods delivery, the future seems to be leaning that way. Their newly developed unmanned delivery truck, which can carry up to 150 kilograms and travel 120 kilometers on city roads with one charge, promises efficiency and accuracy. And while it's thrilling, it does spark the age-old question: are robots slowly but surely taking our place? For those unfamiliar, Meituan isn't just another startup. It's a huge market player in China, responsible for delivering everything from your late-night cravings to your weekly groceries. Their aim has always revolved around increasing efficiency in daily tasks, but their recent advancements in robotics takes it to a whole new level. But it's not all about replacements. Robots are also being developed to work alongside humans and enhance our capabilities. Take Beijing Surgery Technology, for example. They unveiled a robotic surgical system that streamlines abdominal surgeries. Surgeons are raving about it, and it's easy to see why. Instead of making multiple incisions, the system only requires one, thanks to its patented surgical instrument technology. Yet, amidst these advancements, the question remains, will China's robots actually take over the world? While takeover might be a strong term, there's no denying that China is succeeding in developing unmatched robotic technology. Their commitment to innovation and the sheer number of companies pushing boundaries indicate that they are on the route to becoming a dominant force in global robotics. While the future trajectory of Meituan and similar companies is bound to rely heavily on AI and automation, it's essential for us as a global community to strike a balance. One where technology augments human abilities and doesn't necessarily replace them. As we marvel at the wonders of these robotic innovations, we also need to keep the bigger picture of the positive societal impact they can have in our mind. So, viewers, what's your take on this? Are you excited to see what the future of robotics brings to humanity? Or scared that it might take over your lives and place in the world? Which of these robotic wonders from the 2022 World Robot Conference caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments below. And before we sign off, remember, the future isn't something that happens to us. It's something we create. Stay curious, stay informed, and don't forget to like this video.